Hello everyone, it's me Akshat and you're watching One Attack. So in this video, I'm going to unbox and review Infinity Fuze Pint portable Bluetooth speaker. So without wasting your time, let's start unboxing. So in this box, we get a user manual, USB cable and a very small speaker. Now let's talk about speaker. So at the back of this speaker you get power on button, and by using this button you can also operate music, phone call and voice assistant as well. You can turn on your speaker by pressing button almost for 2 seconds. Let's check the sound quality of this speaker.
No fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back, yeah.
You can also enable the deep bass option by clicking button 3 times continuously. Now let's check the deep bass quality. So the power button is made up of rubber which provide grip as well. The overall quality of this speaker is very impressive within this price range, which is Rs 850. You can check out the purchase link of this speaker available in the description box. So guys, that's all for this video. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. Keep watching One Attack. Till then, take care and bye bye.
Jack it up.